Hi, my sugars and spices, a warm welcome to the channel. I would love to share this delicious recipe with you this week so that you can enjoy it with your loved ones. Disclaimer, this video has been made with the desire to share a delicious recipe with my YouTube family. As you know the saying, sharing is caring. I do hope in the not too distant future to film the making of the recipes I share, but I hope until then you can follow on with the ingredients and instructions shared. You will need the following ingredients. They will also be listed in the description below. For the pastry, 165 grams flour, 2 milliliter baking powder, 50 milliliter finely grated cheddar cheese, quarter teaspoon salt, 5 milliliter mixed herbs, 60 grams butter, 1 egg yolk, 65 milliliter cold water. For the filling, 220 grams tinned salmon, drained and flaked, 100 grams cheddar cheese, grated, 75 grams mushrooms, sliced, half onion, finely chopped, 4 whole, cooked asparagus, chopped, 2 eggs, slightly beaten, 25 milliliters chopped parsley, 5 milliliters dried dill, 125 milliliters sour cream, 65 milliliters milk, salt and pepper to taste. Let's get to the fun bit. Combine flour, baking powder, cheese, salt and mixed herbs for the pastry. Rub in the butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Mix egg yolk with cold water and add enough liquid to the flour mixture to make a soft pastry. Roll out and line a pie plate with pastry. For the filling, combine all ingredients and mix well. Spoon mixture into pastry shell and bake for 45 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius, or until a knife inserted in the middle comes out clean. Garnish with asparagus spears. Enjoy, my darlings. If you would like me to share more recipes like this one in the future, please like this video and subscribe for more.